All right, we are back at the 2016 BMW X4 that we are replacing the valve cover due to the breather system that's integrated into the valve cover. This is building too much vacuum and is whistling. I'm sorry for stumbling over more, it is whistling. So we have our coils removed, we're gonna get our gas lines removed, we're gonna get this valve cover up. We got several bolts that go around it and hold it down. Let's continue on. All right, so we have our valve cover removed. You can see all the bolts are captured that holds the valve cover in. These are captured bolts, they don't come out. All right, looking at the top of the engine, we can see this customer has definitely changed their oil on the regular. We don't see we don't see no sludge. We don't see a whole lot of varnish. Let's go back together with the new one. That's kind of what's involved with this job. Ken is kind of laying down on the job, but it's tight work back here. He has to get a vacuum pump, which is kind of way in the back, kind of hard for you to see. Once you get that in, we'll get the coils and plugs. All right, we are all back together. Like I was telling you, we have our fuel lines and everything installed. Coils and plugs are back in. This thing is running good. All right, we got it back together. Thanks for watching. Any of your BMW needs, please come see us because you're blessed and so am I.